want to talk about measuring USB power output. There's a number of ways of doing it. I've seen several ways of doing it. I've done several ways. One of the ways you'll see out on the internet is people will be showing you that you can take a USB cable like this, strip the end of it, and they are right. You've got your negative and you've got your positive here, and you've got your ground. You've also got your datas here, and then you can take your multimeter and you can definitely plug it into your computer or your device or whatever and take your positive to your negative and measure it. So there's you would just basically go like that. Why I don't recommend this is that, and I've done it myself actually, plug this end into my computer and I've wanted to measure what I'm getting when I'm pulling power through. I've crossed these two and fried the motherboard on my computer. So a motherboard for a computer is several $100s, and if you fry the CPU, which I did as well, that's another several $100s. The whole endeavor cost me about probably $800-900. So don't recommend this way, considering the fact that you can buy something like this, okay, and this cost me, I think it's like $15. I'll actually put the link in the description. I don't even think it's $15. I think it's like $5. And what it is it's a little USB measuring device. Obviously, $5, or even if it was $15, is a lot cheaper than $800 or $900. So for instance, I'm going to take my Anker power pack here, and I'm going to plug this little device into it, and you're going to see that right now it's measuring 5.2 volts coming out of it. So right off the hop, I've already got it just by plugging it into the device. Now the nice thing about this is that you can actually see how much amperage you're pulling as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a light here. So this is my little camp light that I like, and I'm going to plug it into the actual unit itself. Let's turn it the right way so you can read it. So I'm going to plug the USB cable into this side. Nice thing about this thing too is that you've actually got a couple of different inputs. There's one here and one up here as well. So now I'm going to plug this into my light. Here goes this end. I'm going to plug it into the light itself. What you're going to notice is right now, when I pull this up, it's plugged into the device, and you can see that there's 5.2 volts. If I turn the light on, you're going to see that it starts pulling amperage. So it's pulling 0.05 of an amp in between 0.08 of an amp. If I turn it brighter, it's going to pull 0.08 of an amp, and you can see the voltage. So it's that simple. I would recommend this device over top of doing it with your multimeter and all that stuff, because the fact is that you are going to be having a serious risk frying your actual device. And you can see this, it just keeps measuring it. So if I actually wanted to measure anything, which I actually do, because with my BioLite, I wanted to know what the power output was from that, and it actually really helped. So I hope that helps you a lot as to how to measure your output. Seriously advise that you go and buy one of these little units if you want to know how much power your devices are actually drawing. Okay? Have a good day.